on. Hi guys, it's Caroline Gaming. You may be wondering why I wear the stream clothes in my stream. Person who said all those nice messages, thank you. But YouTube shut the live stream down because we just figured out that it's actually legal to do a stream if you're like 9 years old. So, and I'm 9 years old, and you have to be about 18. So I need 9 more years. We will try again to do this screen later. Nice girl. I hope you see this video. I really hope you do. Let's actually leave this one because, let me go to that Roblox icon. Okay, because that server was dead. So, at 9, story. You guys give me so much support. I just like you guys, okay? I'm never gonna quit YouTube, okay? Even if they shut me down, I will keep making more and more channels called Caroline Gaming. Because YouTube is my dream. Anyways, let's get the airplane story. I'm a novice passenger. Yeah, and I've played this game before. In the live stream where we were actually going to do lots of fun things. You're supposed to see like all the games I play and stuff. You know what I mean? Oh, there. Anyways, while we're waiting, I'm just going to sing my waiting song. Waiting. Okay. Want to know what my favorite animal is that's real? Panda. Wait, where's Panda? Panda! Isn't he cute? Aww. I actually left the thingy. I need to get in. Oh, no! They left me! This is gonna take longer and longer. It's all thanks to Mr. Panda. It's like my Roblox character is walking closer and closer and closer. And if you guys can see the side of my screen, I'm previewing. Okay. Well, I can't. I'm stuck. If you guys see that I'm stuck. I'm literally stuck. I'm gonna have to leave again. Why does this always take so long? YouTube, Roblox, YouTube, am I allowed to play games? Sometimes I wish I was 18 because I feel like some people just don't unsubscribe because I'm a kid. Maybe you guys can make me feel like that if you give me more support. Like I said in the stream, if you were watching, I have no friends at school, so 1 like, 1 friend for me. Okay, anyways. I wish I can be live right now, but I'm A1. So let's find number 1. I got first class tickets. I know it's a waste of Robux. I'm good at wasting Robux. I'm red potions, fly potions, Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome to aboard 416. We are currently flying at an altitude of 333 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. No, I don't want to explore. We're just going to sit here looking at Mr. Panda. And I'm going to name my favorite YouTubers Inquisitor, Master, Megan Play, Santa, Santa, think of more Moody, Sonny, is there more Creekcraft? Hyper? Poke? Oh, we're boarding. Oh, in 13 seconds. Are things clickable? No, I like clickable strings. Is this it? This is a normal flight, it said on my ticket, so it should be normal. So, oh, that was the turbulence. I don't think turbulence is going on anymore. I'm looking. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Where's ladies to help me? Anyone in the compartment? Hello? Is someone else there? Wait, where did you guys come from? Give me all the food. They gave me cooked lobsters. Cooked lobster. My favorite. I'm gonna save it. Wait, that's me talking. I'm not feeling very well. Wait, this sandwich has mayo! I'm allergic to mayo. I never knew I was allergic to mayo. And I didn't have the sandwich. I had lobster. There's a big difference there. Here's someone's luggage. I think. Oh yeah, I forgot I am allergic to mayo. But I mean, I did bring medicine just in case. Phew, that was a close one. Wait, someone got my luggage. Whoever did that, I say thank you. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached a stable. I can't read that word. It would be good to sit back and take a nap and enjoy the rest of the ride. Okay, Captain, if you say so. Oh my God, it's so loud in my headphones. The music goes do 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 do. Good night, passengers. Remember, we will have a few hours to go. A few hours? So are we going to Hawaii or something? I don't feel comfy. This seat. Ah! My worst fear is snakes. Just to let you guys know that. I do not like snakes. Look on the right wing! Oh my God. Oh no. That thing's scary. It's about to talk or something. You will not survive. Are those snakes? Yeah, I didn't mean I didn't like snakes. I mean I love snakes. Yeah. Oh, snakes. Is there any way we can leave? I just wanted to enjoy Hawaii. I just wanted to enjoy Hawaii. Oh, zoom in. Oh, must get to the bathroom. Okay. I needed to go anyway. May I get privacy? Oh, you have to go too? Okay. Why are we even on a plane with coronavirus? At least I have my mask on. If you guys want to see something, I'm going to show you something cool. Okay, I'm back, and I couldn't find it. Basically, I have a rainbow mask that matches. What? That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Okay, well, what are we doing now? Let's learn, find the parachute and jump out the window. Power's back up. Oh, it is? That's awesome! The creature on the wing is gone too. Creepy. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. I want bad news first. Bad news. What? The good news is power is back up. The bad news is we are losing a amount of oxygen. Oxygen, that's what reward. And they will drop by your seats. What's the point? We have a mask. Oh, I want one. I need one. I'm not the only one. Did I get one? I hope I got one. I think I did. Right? I didn't get one. Do I have enough Robux? No. I died. Good life to me. Another like equals a second life. Sanctuary joy should be short. Anyways, did I forget to tell you about the girl who was so nice to me? Oh, I love you, girl who said all those things in my life. I'm sorry that YouTube shut me down. I was going to ask you in live chat what's your username. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry if it's black screen right now. Anyways, see you guys another day. Bye-bye! By the way, don't forget to do backflip goodbyes. And make sure to, if you see Pup Lover or 1756 in game, be nice to her. If you see Bella 502 in game, be really nice to her, and especially be nice to me. Anyways, bye!